Hi chat. Welcome to another stream. We've got a Sneaky Pupperoo on stream for today. Rollers, thank you for the resub for 6 months and then a 5-month streak. Look, Rollers has a new fancy badge now. Always is the Pupperoo getting a little antsy. I satisfy used your emote. The corgi mode. Anyway, how's it going, chat? Welcome to another stream.
If you pee on his floor, I'm disowning you. That's just a fact.
Yeah, don't pee my word. Don't eat my bed either.
She just peed. There's no way she has to pee again, right?
I mean, puppers do. I guess it's male dogs usually will try and pee as often as much. But anyway, it looks like JuiceBot Hero is first. I don't know who that is. I've never seen that person in my chat before. We've also got I Satisfied. Hello, hello. LMAO Juicebox still couldn't get first. It's true. Hey, what's up, Uncle Patatas? Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. We're going to be doing Advent of Code, which is a bit of a programming puzzle. Thank you, I Satisfied, for doing Bang AOC. Hey, what's up, Session Variable? Good to see you again. Welcome back. And Rollies with the resub. And Dragon Slayer, how's it going? Welcome, welcome. All right. Oh, you guys don't get a free button. Why are you giving chat a free button, Juice?
What makes you think I am button that?
And thank you for the follow, Uncle Patatas. Appreciate that. Welcome to the stream. All right, so we are ready to get set up here for day 12. I just recorded the day 11 video right before this, and I made the exact same bugs that I made last time when I was recording, so I had to like spend some time debuggering it, but we figured that out, so that's good. But let me get set up, and then we'll set up the just in case it's somehow whatever the int code equivalent is. We're gonna have this one open again. We've got 2 different ways to start hacking at these problems. I actually think that this probably makes more sense for our template. That way we can just delete one chunk of code. Let's actually do that. We're slowly improving this template. I think I'm actually, maybe for next year I'll set up problems for like the classes of problems, because like we had a Conway Game of Life before. Oh, Yola Schmolo just gave 100 and said puppy bits.
You just got her a bone.
Puppy bits.
You just got her a bone.
Thank you for the bits, Yola Schmolo. Appreciate that.
Actually, I think these are.
Yeah. Uncle Batata says, I just started learning Python yesterday. This is too advanced for me. Oh yeah, this is gonna be. We're into day 12, so it's pretty common. Then again, Juice, who's down here, she's not a programmer by trade, and she's gotten through. Well, she hasn't finished day 11 yet.
Day 11's hard.
But she started working on day 11. It's not. I don't think it's hard. I think it's just a lot of code. Like this one was.
Code.
This one was way more code than any of the other problems.
I'm gonna work on day 11, but I'm gonna put Pupper.
Okay.
Say goodbye to Pupper.
All right. Say goodbye to chat. Say goodbye to chat. But oh, you trying to chomp me? Are you trying to chomp me? You're trying to chomp me. You fucking chomper.
Oh, she doesn't mean to chomp.
Yeah, she's just excited to see me.
And chat. Excited to see chat too.
Oh, she's chomping you?
Not biting hard. Mouthing. Ow!
She's been programming for some time, so that comparison doesn't count here. I mean, kind of.
Since like March?
Since like March. But anyway, buy tofu and then the juice butt. To have Juice's tier 3 emotes, even though I don't have the tier 3 emotes. Okay, so we're ready to go here. And we need to set up my tab complete here. So we've got what? Py test part 1. We're in the wrong folder. PyTest part 1.py and Python part 1.py. And I'm also going to do 1 to 2. That way I've got both of these on the tab complete. I'm going to put that one there. And then download input 2020-12, so we're ready to press enter there. I need to open up the actual website. adventofcode.com. She's just only been coding since March? Yeah. That was her like quarantine project, was to learn to program and stream learning to program. Hey, what's up, Barrow Bounce? Hello, hello. M Pari, good to see you again. Welcome back. What did you mean by bang Python? What did you want the bot to reply there, Pari? Look at this lightning bolt of North Pole travel. Ooh, what do you think's down here? We got 10 minutes to go until day 12 begins. Gee, so you're gonna be bummed if day 12 is super easy. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, Bang Explains is a good idea, I satisfied. Maybe they're looking for my YouTube videos. There's all sorts of Python videos on my YouTube channel. Most of them are like intermediate-ish, but some of them are, you know, some of them are beginner-friendly. I expect you to destroy all these questions. So for the most part, I've been doing pretty well. I got super stuck on some dumb bugs the last 2 days. Well, one of them was my own misunderstanding on day 10, 11, 10. But yeah, I got super stuck on this, so I spent a whole bunch of time. But, you know, yesterday was fine. And we're probably not going to be doing SQLite today because Juice and I want to have a movie night, so we'll see. We'll see how long. Hopefully I can get through this quick, and then we can go do movies. But yeah. Taking bets on how many lines the calendar will be at the end of the month, right? Right. I'm still in my private leaderboard, still doing all right. T-Bot-T's beating me, but I don't know. I'll take a good top 5. You know, I think that's good. Air Bounce, I'm still beating you out just barely. Eric, how's it going? Hello, hello. Welcome back. If you guys don't know, Eric is the one who created this whole wonderful thing.
Hi, Eric.
Any tips for a flat-ass newbie in programming? Yes, I actually have a video for that. Oh, I satisfied linked it for it. Man, when my chat just does my work for me. Eric says hi, waving person. Juicebox Hero says hi.
It's me, Juicebox.
I'm coming for that second place spot. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me if you get the arrow bounce, but yeah. So I think we're all ready to go. I think for next year, what I'm gonna do, because Advent of Code seems to have a series of problems get repeated. Like there's the code type problem. Juice box. I don't actually know the melody of the song.
Juice box hero. Stars. I always see straws with straws in her eyes.
Yep. Maze Day round 4, says Amaditto? I don't know, I'm giving up on mazes. I don't think today's gonna be a maze. I think maybe day 13 will be a maze though. Bacon Slayer says, meanwhile I'm still trying to take third one of these days. Oh, you can. I believe in you. There's also probably gonna be a part where I won't be able to do one, so then definitely people will overtake me. I'm really enjoying these Advent of Code streams. Well, I'm glad you like them. I haven't seen you on any of my other streams though. Airbound says I'm gonna cry if today's a maze. I'm too tired to do a maze. Will you tell me when the maze day is? Says I satisfied. I don't. Eric usually doesn't tell us, which is fine. But I think we are all set up here. Let's get our insertion point between these two. So it might be another numbers puzzle, or it might be a lines puzzle. We'll see what type of puzzle we get. We've had only numbers and lines puzzles this one. Maze Day is 20. The 20th day is going to be Maze Day in 2019.
God. 2020.
The other streams are right in the middle of my workday. Oh, that's fair. A lot of people watch it at work, like put it up on a second monitor, which I think is kind of funny. Hey, what's up, Dakabab? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Roller's just trying to get to the top 10. Nice, nice. Every day since day 8 has been a maze day. They're really just abstract mazes. That's some big brain think right there. Okay, down to the last 6 minutes or so. This countdown timer is actually pretty cool. Getting this to work nicely, I've always found is kind of a pain in the butt, but I think it works extremely well for this. Are you ready? Oh, you're not gonna play on time. You're already going.
Can you skip a day? Can I
Yeah,
access
you can.
12
Yeah.
without doing 11?
Yeah, you can skip a day.
No, I want to do 11.
All right, that's fine. Countdown timer synchronized with the server time too. Yeah, that's the really impressive part. That was the part where I was like, Mark Sand says every day is amazing. Life is just a maze through the state space of life. It's true. It's true. I satisfied says whenever I can I play up on my phone doing work. Nice. Appreciate you stopping by as always. I satisfied. Okay. We're ready for day 12 after we've done day 11 and 1/3 and 11 and 2/3. Wait, are there 3 rows here? 1, 2. Oh, there's 2 rows here. 12 and a half and wait, no, it would be thirds. Yeah. 11.3 and 11.6. What's up, Johnny One? Hello. Welcome to the stream. Theories on the weird gaps? I don't have any running theories myself. I was thinking maybe that the gaps will somehow be a puzzle input to like day 25 part 2 or something, but I don't know. I have no idea. But I am intrigued by them. I wonder how far we'll have to scroll down the page of day 25, right? Jenny One says, Anthony, what are you making? If you do Bang today or Bang AOC, you can learn about what I'm working on. It's a series of code puzzles that come out twice a day in December. Is day 25 a compression algorithm that we have to use to fix the calendar gaps? That was my thought there. Something like that. Or it's some like time traveling shenanigans. But I don't know. I have no idea. Theory is you're building a globe that requires more space. Yeah, it does seem like this is kind of our North Pole up here, which is, you know, this little ding thing here. Specifically, I think that we'll be backtracking through the calendar. So it is a maze problem. Chetty One says, what IDE do you use? I use my own text editor that I wrote from scratch. Thank you, iSatisfied, for linking that. It is called Babby. It is not a great text editor. I guess there's one thing that it does really well, which is syntax highlighting. Because I spent way too much time implementing syntax highlighting. The maze was the mazes we solved along the way. Hey, what's up, T-Bot-T? Hello. Interesting homepage. Yes. With the gaps. There's something going on down here. T-Bot-T, ready to kick my ass again on yet another day? I think I'm getting to the point where it's now impossible for me to overall leaderboard. Because I need to get about 600 points to get to the final leaderboard, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Tobogganing, we'll see. Yeah. Did you make your own IDE? Yes, you can think of it that way. Although I think the interactive part of the development environment isn't quite there yet. That's the only thing it has besides text tagging. It has a couple of things. What is your private leaderboard? If you join the Discord, it's pinned in the Advent of Code channel, so you can check that out there. Come forth, fishes! Welcome to the stream! I haven't gotten points in a while yet, neither have I. Also, Vepic Fishel. We've got 2 fishes. Are you a student? I have not been a student for quite a while. I am 29 years old. Yeah.
They think you look young.
Yeah.
That's a compliment.
Someone asked me if I was in high school the other day.
High school?
High school, yeah. I don't know if that's a comment on maturity or my youthful look.
29 is
Well, okay. Still hoping to get points this year. I got a few points last year, but haven't gotten any this year. I got a bunch of points last year. I've gotten some points this year, but... Steven Dita says, I'm so dumb. I was working on day 5 because I'm so far behind. Implemented binary search before looking up the answers and saying it was just a binary number. Yeah. Are you married? Not yet, says I satisfied. That's funny. That's hilarious.
I satisfied you, troll.
All right, 1 minute to go. Good luck to everyone attempting the puzzle today. Maze puzzle. Not today. Not a maze puzzle today. I see your face, Chiefs. At least I remembered how to implement binary search without cheating. Yeah, the bisect module actually doesn't help here, which is usually what I do when someone's like, all right, implement binary search, and I just say import bisect left. At least no mazes suffered enough last year. Yo, mazes is how I got points last year. All the maze puzzles I did great on. Juicebox takeover stream? I don't know how that works. But she is here, Biniar. She's chilling. Alright. Let's go. Are you gonna do 12 or no? You're gonna do 11 first, right?
11.
Yeah. Your hype train conductor. Alright, 6, 5, 4. We'll trigger our downloader and then get ready to click. And it is a maze puzzle. Oh, maybe it's not a maze puzzle. Okay. Please malfunction rather than route to safety. Circuitous instructions. A bunch of actions with integer values. After starting them, you work out what they are. Okay. You're gonna need that. Forward, left, right. Turn left the given number of degrees. Oh, degrees. Oh boy. Only left or right. Change the direction the ship is facing. That is, the ship is facing east, and the next instruction is N10. This 10 units. Okay, alright. The ship's Manhattan distance from its starting position. Okay, this is easy. Manhattan distance from its starting position. Okay. So, we are doing this, and we have direction D equals line 0, and n equals line 1 colon int, and x equals 0, y equals 0. Did it say where we're initially facing? Initially facing east. Okay. Equals direction equals that's yx. Sure, we'll do yx. That seems fine. And turn x plus y, or abs x plus abs y. Then we gotta implement each of the directions. North, south, east, west, left, right, forward. If D equals north, left, what was the last one? Straight? Oh, left, right, forward. Else is not implemented error. Okay, they are only in quantities of 90, so that's easy. If D equals north, then y plus equals n, or y minus equals n, y plus equals n, east x plus equals n, west x minus equals n, left, let's see, rotations equals n divided by 90. Damn, rotating is annoying. If rotations equals 1, then actually let's just make a map of these. Actually, let's see, directions equals, so that's east, and then south, and then west, and then north. And so to rotate, so Direction equals int plus rotations mod 4. For left, we're actually subtracting the rotations. And we do the same thing for right, but we're adding. And then for forward, we are doing x plus equals n times direction 1, y plus equals n times direction 0. And I think, let's get our sample input. And this should be 25. That didn't copy, but that's fine. Int is not subscriptable. Value error 2 not in list. How did direction end up being 2? What? 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 How? How are you ever becoming not... Oh, I didn't do this one. Damn it, that's gonna cost me my precious seconds. Okay, that's part 1. Let's do part 2. Before you give the destination, you realize that the actual meanings were printed on the back of the instructions the whole time. Almost all the instructions indicate how to move a waypoint, which is relative to this point's positions. Means to move the waypoint north, blah blah blah. L means to rotate the waypoint around the ship left. Around the ship left. What the fuck? I don't know what this means. The waypoint starts 10 east and 1 north. Oh, so it's multiplication instead. Okay. What did it say? 10 east and 1 north? 10 east and 1 north. 10, 1. And so this is no longer relevant. L means to rotate the waypoint around the ship left. So we're taking it from one quadrant and moving it to another. Okay, so I gotta think about how to do quadrant rotations. F means to move forward to the waypoint a number of times equals to the given value. Move forward to the waypoint. Moves the ship to the waypoint 10 times. Oh my god, we have to keep track of the ship position too. F10 moves the ship to the waypoint 10 times. Leaving the ship at 110. Okay. We also need the ship position too. And these just move the waypoint position, right? Move the waypoint by the given value. Okay, so this should be WY, WY, WX, WX. Then the rotations are the tricky parts. So if you have something... If you have something that is, let's say, 4, 1, a rotate to the left would put it at -1, 4. A rotate twice would put it at -4, 1, and then a rotate 5 times would put it at 1, -4. Okay, so one rotation is to multiply both by negative number and switch. And then the second rotation is also that. Switch positions and multiply by -1. Is that what a rotation is? Yeah, I think that's what it is. Multiply both by -1 and switch positions. Or -1, yeah. That's for left ones. Oh, but fuck. That's if you're around the origin. For on an arbitrary point, it's completely different. Let's do the forward thing first. That's going to be easiest. So for forward, we need to take the difference between the waypoint and the ship and then multiply the ship's position by that times n. So dy equals sy minus wy, and dx equals sx minus wx. And so if we're at 0 minus 10, so it's actually the other way around. Those 10 minus 0, 1 minus 0, we're going to move 10, 10, 1, n times. So then we'll do sy plus equals dy times n, sx plus equals dx times n. Okay, now we got to do the rotation part. So if we have a relative position to that, we can treat something as an origin and then subtract. So if we normalize a position to the origin, let's just have this rotating the waypoint. So I don't forget about that. Okay, so if we take some point out here that we want to rotate around, let's go back to brushy brush. Let's say this is, I don't know, 10, 10. The rotation around 10, 10 is treating... Wait, why did I say this is -4, 1? This is a -4, 1. This is 4, 1. 4, 1 becomes... What am I doing? Becomes -1, 4. Yeah, that's right. And this becomes -4, -1. Holy shit, why am I dumb? -4, -1, and then this is 1, -4. Okay, so this is wrong. But we'll figure that out in a second, because we still have to normalize based on this. It's something like that, but it's offset. Okay, so if we treat this as origin, we can subtract both of them to get to 0. So W text. wx minus sx, and then wy minus sy, and then rotate it around origin, and then do wx plus sx, and then wy plus sx. And so the rotate is where we get tricky. Temp wy equals then we need to rotate. We know the number of rotations. Rotating to the left, is that always going to be multiplying? It's always switching positions, and it's always multiplying by something. Multiplying x by negative? So let's see. Switch positions, multiply x by negative. Switch positions, multiply x by negative. Switch positions, multiply x by negative. Okay. So temp y temp wx equals temp wx temp wy, and then temp x times equals -1. So that's a rotation, and then we gotta put them back at the end. Temp wy equals temp wy plus sy. Do the same thing for x. Okay, so that's a leftward rotation. I assume we do something similar for rightward rotation. So to move rightwards, we switch positions and multiply the y. Yeah, switch positions and multiply the y. Switch positions and multiply the y by -1. MWY reference before assignment. What do you mean? On what line? 55. Typo. X is not defined. God damn it. Okay, well, we've clearly fucked something up here. Let's see, forward 10. Well, what is the... Oh, we forgot to change the answer. Maybe we didn't fuck it up. This is the expected answer. 286. Okay, we definitely still forked it up. 286. Alright, so forward 10 should take us to... We can put a breakpoint here and see where we're going wrong. So forward 10. And 100. Yeah, looks good. Moves the waypoint north to 10 units east and 4 units north of the ship. Well, huh. Oh, 1 unit north. Oh, I just have my numbers wrong. Should be, this should start at -1, because that's how I did north. Still the wrong number though. Okay, so that's 10 north, 100 east. Okay. And then 4 north, 10 east. F7 moves the ship to the waypoint 7 times, a total of 70 units east and 28 units north. 70 units east. Moves the ship to the waypoint. Oh, it's not different, it's just multiply? Ugh, that's fucking dumb. That's easier though. Wy times n sx plus equals wx times n. Thought it was gonna have to do with differences. Okay, let's try that now. I copy that. Okay, do that. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. So we should have done what? 70 units east and negative 20 and 28 units north. So we should be at 170 negative 38. Yep, and we are. And then F11 moves the ship to the waypoint 11, or R90 rotates the waypoint around it. Moving it 4 units east and 10 units south of the ship. Of the ship or of the result? The fuck? Yeah, so this is wrong. So apparently we're not supposed to modify this at all. So I think we can just comment all of that out. So this was simpler than I made it out to be. Now I get still the wrong value. Okay, well, let's put our breakpoint back and step through the things. Okay. We got negative 10, negative 4. That's not right. R90 rotates the waypoint around the ship clockwise 90 degrees, moving it 4 units east and 10 units south. This should be positive 10 south and 4 east. But we were at negative 410. But turning it right should have flipped the 2 and then multiplied. Flip the 2. We should have had 10 negative 4 and then multiplied the y. Wait. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. So if we were at north 4, east 10, so we're out here, right? North 4, east 10, and then we rotate 90 degrees, so we're at 4y 10, or negative 4 for y, 10 for x. Then we should have rotated 90 degrees, so we end up down here, which is 4 and, well, negative 10y, negative 10y, and 4x. So in that case, we wait. We definitely flip them. Oh, I'm all confused. I'm all confused here. Let's write this in XY coordinates so that I'm less confused. This is 10, positive 10, well. I think it's because I flipped my coordinate pair. North should be positive, not negative. So let's say that it's 10 comma 4. Hi tofu. Then we get to 4 comma negative 10.
Someone has to. Sorry.
What did you do? What did you do to? Ow.
Well, besides biting you.
I should be on my floor again.
Be on your floor.
Okay, so it is swap the 2 and multiply the y times negative 10, but I think it's because I have my x and y flipped. So let's change that. Let's change positive y to be north. So we'll just do plus and minus, and then that should fix this. So right is swap both and multiply y. Yeah. 38, 170, yeah. Negative 10, 4. Yeah. Then what do we get for the last thing? 2, 14, 72 south. Fuck yeah. Okay. Then we get... Where's the other breakpoint? They're in the kitchen. They're in the cupboard with the aprons. Where is the breakpoints? Okay. I was so slow. I wasn't even the top end that it said here. Oh, it's not bad. That's not bad. All right, let me say hi to everyone in chat because oh my goodness, you all talked a ton while I was gone. Which university did you study? I went to University of Michigan. Do you know discrete math? Yes, I do. Just FYI, the puzzle. You probably won't respond while working on the puzzle. Yep, that's true. Hey, what's up, Wilbo? Hello, hello. Oh, Juicy answered for me. I do know discrete math. Yes. North, north, south, south, west, east, forward. How do people do these in less than 5 minutes? See, I would have been fine if I would have not had the wrong coordinate thing. Like how many times you had to tell Johnny that I wasn't reading chat. The fact that they're so dedicated to AOC they did on their phone is just awesome. Wait, that's crazy. If you're solving the puzzles is like 90% problem solving and 10 actually code. Yeah, that's true. Not if you saw my day 4 part 2. Moro. Scan for the highlight bits. They're important indeed. Ubuntu Paint? No, it's Windows. It's Windows. TMT says, Trig. It actually didn't end up being Trig, fortunately. Automatically bailed on my Python solution and solved in Unity. What? That's awesome, I'm a ditto. Times like these, the switch statements would be super useful in Python. Well, they're coming soon, coding Cuber, with the match statement. TNT says, oh man, you beat... Wait, I beat T-Bot-T? No way. Maybe on part 1, but not on part 2, right? That's my stats. Private leaderboard. I'm pretty sure... Oh, I did gain. I did gain on T-Bot-T. I guess I beat you for part 1 and you beat me for part 2. Siberian Lumberjack says, damn, did I do that fast and Andy? Probably. Your numbers look like they're flipped. Yeah, they were flipped. Rizak says, is it negative y on both sides? Yeah, it's because I flipped. Hey, what's up, Journey AI? Hello, hello. This admin code looks like good fun. I'll give it a try. Yeah, basically you can do any of the puzzles in from previous years. Have a look at the homepage. Oh no. What? We're going backwards. What the fuck? What? What is this? That's actually really cool though. I like that. It's pretty dope. I haven't read the test today. Made me think perhaps cosine sine would be useful for rotations. Maybe. Took third until arrow bounce finishes. Oh, I see. After like 20 wrong answers, finally got it. Yes, I'm getting nice. Hey, what's up, Aneurysm? Hello, hello. Aneurysm says what? This is like almost all of the Blazeball tweets back when it was actually live, because right now it's paused. But like most of them are just quote tweets that say what. Of course, now I'm not going to be able to find them. Of course. Charmed K29, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, I can't find it now. But anyway, most of the Blazeball tweets back when it's actually running is like, what? I peeked at the input and thought I saw some angles that weren't multiples of 90, and then I assumed I needed trig. Only now do I realize that it was R67 instead of F67. Oh yeah, well, this is what I did as soon as I got my puzzle. A little bit of regex actually saved me some time there. Eric is messing with us, yeah. You're back to 4th Dragon Slayer? Nice. Or does that mean you went down? But anyway, I have to, well, I would like to hang out with Juicebox Hero, so I'm actually going to cut this stream short today and grace someone else with a raid. Oh, Larry NY raises her head now. Thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. Let me give you a shout out, and then I'm going to do my spiel, and we're going to find someone else who's still working on this. Yes, Python is adding a match statement, Bilioser. Or maybe. We'll see if it happens. I think it shouldn't be added, but double raid, says ShazRobot. Oh yeah, because we're gonna double raid someone. But let me do my little spiel. My name is Anthony. I stream Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and I upload my previous streams to youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode. Also, I've been going over more in-depth descriptions of problems and solutions where I simplify the problem down and then show you approaches to solve it, so you can check that out. I upload my previous streams, and I also upload educational videos at least once a day, so check those out. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is on Twitter, and that's twitter.com/codewithanthony. And I also announce them on the Discord. Let me put those links in the chat. Sorry, today is a shorter stream, but I have to balance personal life and non-personal life, so we're taking a step in the good direction today. But thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.